In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and vast meadows, there lived a young shepherd boy named Milo. Tasked with guarding the village sheep, Milo often found himself overwhelmed by loneliness and boredom. One sunny afternoon, in a mischievous attempt to break the monotony, Milo shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep!" Hearing his cries, the worried villagers dropped everything and raced up the hill to help him. But upon arrival, they found no wolf, only Milo, struggling to contain his laughter. Amused by the attention and excitement he had stirred, Milo reveled in his little trick. A few days later, he repeated his deceit, yelling even louder, "Wolf! Wolf!" Once again, the villagers rushed to his aid, only to find themselves fooled once more. The village elder, a wise old woman named Agnes, approached Milo after the second false alarm. She looked him in the eyes and said softly, "Milo, why cry wolf when there is none? What would happen if a real wolf comes? Who would believe you then?" Milo shrugged off her advice, smirking as she walked away. However, the very next week, as the sun dipped behind the hills, a real wolf prowled towards the flock. Panicking, Milo's heart raced as he screamed at the top of his lungs, "Wolf! Please help! The wolf is here for real this time." But his cries fell on deaf ears. The villagers, twice deceived, paid no heed to his desperate cries. Helpless, Milo watched in horror as the wolf attacked his sheep. When the villagers finally arrived to check on the boy, they found Milo by the remains of a few sheep, tears streaming down his cheeks. He had learned his lesson the hardest way possible. Lies erode trust, often beyond repair, and without trust, even truth can be rendered powerless.